In south of India, we don't hate soup. Just that we use soup as a carrier. When we make rasam, we add it to rice. Whenever we make anything like stew, rasam like thing, we use them as a carrier for rice. Boom, 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 swallow it, and that's how we enjoy. I'm going to make a celery and carrot soup. Before you skip that you don't have celery, you can use coriander stem, you can use methi stems, you can also use the skin of bottle gourd, ridge gourd in replacement to celery. The flavor will be good, but not as good as celery. But let me tell you, this is beautiful celery, which is a great foundation for a lot of soups. You add to any soup, it will become very tasty. So we're going to make celery and carrot soup. To make a celery soup like this, always use celery that is nice and tender. That means it should not be fibrous. It should cut off with a bite. Only then you will get a nice puree and no fiber in it. Just for your information, I grow a lot of celery in my farm. I accidentally got few seeds and I just drop them and they grow really wild. So in Telangana, get few seeds and you will have a bumper harvest of celery. Bumper harvest of celery means you can make many recipes. You make leafy vegetables, you make sambar, you make any dishes, you add some celery stems, that will become twice more tastier. Here I am making stock. All I did was I took the chicken bones and I added a lot of these celery stems to this and brought it to a boil. So now this stock is what I'm going to make nice, beautiful celery and carrot soup. If non-vegetarians are going to use chicken and other bone to make their stock, you can also make vegetable stock like this. You can add any leftover vegetables to the water and bring it to a nice boil and you can use this stock. So just drain the stock. For a good soup, little butter. In this, add garlic for the punch, onion, add carrot and saute them for a minute. Add 1 spoon of flour. In this, add the celery stems and leaves. Add little salt. Just tossing it itself is awesome. The nice aroma. After sauteing for few minutes, put it in a blender and make it into a nice puree. Whether you're using vegetable stock or chicken stock, here is the carrot and celery puree. Add to the stock and now bring it to a boil. Add pinch of pepper. And adjust the salt. That's it, your soup is ready. Always add right amount of salt, even little less is okay, but never over. If it goes over, it will be ksak. Wow. The soup, it's up to you, the consistency you want. If you want it slightly even more thicker, you can try that, but this soup is good. Wow. Nice celery and carrot soup. It is so fantastic. This is absolutely boomba boomba. Very easy to make and the taste is out of the world. After you drink the soup from the spoon, if you don't lick it, that means your soup is not that good. So soup has to be that good, and this celery and carrot soup is the very simplest yet absolutely boomba boomba soup. And as I told you, you have many options. The skin of a bottle gourd, ridge gourd, even coriander stem if you don't have celery. But if you have celery, super. Make it and enjoy it.